Okay, start.
Yeah, Sean, you say.
I don't know what to say. The villa was absolutely lovely. The pool was great. The pool table, the foosball table, the bar was absolutely excellent. And the weather was really good. And of course, Satina made it as well. Yeah,
Cettina, the owner.
Oh, excellent.
Lovely lady.
Excellent. Really nice
Who
woman.
made us dinner, gave us tomatoes, showed us the way to Taormina, way up and above what we'd expect. A lovely lady, lovely house, and we had a great holiday. And we'll be back.
Back in Cork. You will be back next year. Maybe, why not? Okay, thank you. Do you want to say something else?
You want to add? Order you want to add?
You apologize
Sorry for
broken
breaking the
glass.
game.
Mama?
Mama? I know Mama has the last say.
It was beautiful. Everything was great.
Bella.
Okay. Well, okay. Grazie mille.
Grazie mille.
God, you made the cocktails already.